I think analysis, not the actual trading. The amount of work and drawing you do on your chart pre-actually taking in is what gives you the confidence. I've always found I'm most confident on a trade when I've really opened the chart up. Historically, I've looked to see how it's performed. How's it continued before? Drawn the patterns, projected the targets, were they made, thrown all my key levels of significance through the chart, seen it's come back, visited, supported, moved back up, really got inside the price behavior that I feel I understand this animal. You know, you wouldn't start committing surgery on a being that you've never studied before. Why would you start trading something that you've not properly got under the skin of?
You know, what Francis just said really reminds me of something Mark Douglas talks about in Trading in the Zone. True confidence doesn't come from thinking you know what's going to happen. It comes from knowing you've done the work and that you're prepared no matter what the market throws at you. It's the same thing Richard Wyckoff taught over a century ago. Before you place a trade, you need to understand how price behaves, what patterns repeat, how levels get respected or broken. It's not just looking at charts, it's reading them like a language, and that kind of prep changes everything. You stop reacting emotionally and start responding based on structure. That's the difference between hoping and knowing. Just like Francis said, you wouldn't perform surgery without studying the body. Same thing here. You don't trade something you haven't dissected.